Hello everybody, today I'm going to do a card trick with a small stick, and I can use a pen. It's called a magic marker, yep, I'm gonna pick a card. This picture, I'm gonna pick a card, then draw the name on it. I'll just draw a big N, like this. Alright, you can see it. There's only one card like this in this deck. There are no other. I'm going to place it on top. And what I'm going to do is going to press the deck. And your card and my card is not on top, but I'm going to take the head out of this. What was that? Oh, it was my card. So I'm going to place it on top again, and going to do a cut. Yep. Can do a shuffle. Alright. I'm gonna press the deck again. Alright, yep. My card is in the pile on the top, I think. But if I do like this, it will come here. Yep. And what more can I do? Yep. I have one more thing. Put it on top again. Gonna do some cuts. And press the deck. Gonna press the pen. I'm gonna take my hand out. There's a card, and it's mine. I'm gonna reveal this card trick right now. You have a card. You're going to draw a thing on it, so place it on top and you make it disappear. You're going to press, and when you press, you're going to take your thumb and do like this, so the card is here. And when you take the head out of the marker, just going to drop the card. Alright. And now when you press and hold your card in your hand, just gonna drop it again and roll it out. So that was my trick for today.